An old man and his four sons. Once there was a small village. There lived an old man with his four sons. But his four sons were very lazy and they always used to fight with each other. The old man was very worried. He always used to think about his sons. He explained them many times not to fight with each other, but they never listened to him. One day, he called his four sons. He told them to go to the forest and bring twigs. The four sons went to the forest. They searched for twigs. They brought the twigs and gave to their father. The old man tied all the twigs. He gave the bundle to each of his four sons and asked them to break. Nobody could break the twigs. Then the old man untied the bundle. They could easily break the twig. He advised his sons to live like a bundle of sticks in unity. The four sons learned the importance of unity. They promised to live united. From that day, they never fought with each other and lived merrily. The old man became very happy. The moral of the story is unity is strength.